MeghalayaPost.news.
Ban kentiu kerpang ya kayo kakot ki jela sete lamingi dari India lengba ka kamrep kamrang bat kiwe benta ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CPSAS CAU Impal Umiam menta kasngi kala pelong ya ka 17 India Japan Dialogue on Economic Development menta ki jela sete lamingi dari India. Haba pelong ya kani ka India Japan Dialogue ka Meghalaya netai halor ki benta boper ban kentiu ya ka kamrep lai trilang rekat bat ka Central Agricultural University Impal ka Indian Society of Agricultural Economic Mumbai ka Kobe University napo Japan ka Center for International Project Trust New Delhi bat ka sorka jela jonga Meghalaya kani ka India Japan Dialogue lalam khmat dau Dr. Anupam Mishra Vice Chancellor ka Central Agricultural University Impal kabala pelong ya kiru sampang jongka sorkar kibala yolat banetir manyatai bat kinrungut kinong mikmat ka Japan na benta ban trilang ban kentiu ya kamrep baru ya karoi kapar ki jela satelam ini dari India bat khamtam ka jela Meghalaya.
Under the initiative of Government of India and Government of Japan, under Act East policy, so this dialogue has been organized. That is the 17th India-Japan dialogue, and this dialogue is basically means concentrating on the topics related to the development of northeastern region. And in the northeastern region, the development issues, what are the main development issues and what are the further development projects that have a very much potential for the development of northeastern region. So that way this dialogue has been organized, and here from 5 different Japan universities, that Japanese scientists, basically they are economists, policymakers, some are scientists, social scientists, and including one collaborator from Punjab Agriculture University, and also the Central Agriculture University being the part of this organizer as a organizer, and College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences in Umiam, Meghalaya. We have organized this, and here we are inviting the State Department officials like the Joint Secretary of the Department of Agriculture, Farmers Welfare joined, and they also presented what are the projects ongoing and what is the future planning. Likewise, various directorates like agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, they are also participating. And from our Central Agriculture University side, that what kind of potential projects we can develop so that development at the grassroots levels for better livelihood improvement of northeastern region can be taken up with the joint ventures of the advanced technologies from Japan, and also the existing technologies what is available with Central Agriculture University, and also with active participations as a implementing agency Government of Meghalaya, that directorate, various directorates, we are trying to do these things under this discussion. And at the end, finally, we will try to draw some recommendations in terms of policy recommendations and project formulations. And with this view, this has been organized, and on the 6th of March 2025. And agriculture, then also infrastructure, some, but basically as we are Central Agriculture University, we are giving much more emphasis on the agriculture sector, like say agricultural development projects. Then there are some environmental issues nowadays like carbon credits, carbon farming, green farming, water footprints, ecosystem services. All these issues we want to discuss and how effectively we can implement in the state of Meghalaya for the benefit of farmers. So that is one agenda of this discussion.
So this is the 70th Indo-Japanese dialogue. Especially that we started this dialogue 25 years back. So at that time, the esteemed professor of University of Tokyo and Jawaharlal University, JNU, started this Indo-Japanese dialogue 25 years back. Then we are the second generation of these research group in India as well as Japan. So on this time, this is the first time to visit to north east part of India. So recently, Japanese government really wanted to key to see the development of northeast part of India, especially as you know some semiconductor site induced by Tata, just located in Guwahati. So some Japanese are likely to involve this new semiconductor industry, basically based on the by Tata. So we are very happy to interact with this timing. So on this time, especially I had a very nice interaction with scholar of Assam Agriculture University. On this time, just the day before yesterday, we had a conference in Assam Agriculture University. Then today we had a very nice interaction with the researcher and the vice chancellor of the Central Agriculture University. So I hope we wanted to continue some academic collaboration work in the future.
MeghalayaPost.news